Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your TruVision Health business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboard for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified leads of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keyword. And you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. This tool allows you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for that are going to get you traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a description that's about 300 words long in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. Doing it in this way will have you ranking on Google and YouTube and bring more traffic to what you are offering. Do not reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly what somebody said, but you want to make 3 to 5 minute content that goes after the same keywords. Using open broadcast system if you need to share your screen, and save your video as your keyword optimized title. Facebook is a good place if you know exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. And once you do that, and it's most likely going to be like-minded network marketers, and once you do that, you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Here's an example. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I think it would be great if we could connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? Starting off with a message in this way is a good way to make an honest connection. Make sure that you've actually looked at the person's profile before you reach out to them. You want to then keep people engaged as you build your audience. So you want to engage with that audience by posting pictures, blog posts, fill in the blanks, and asking questions. You want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. The Tony Robbins fan page and the Robert Kiyosaki are really good groups to do that, and you want to be consistent in these groups as people are going to get to know you for your comment. You want to avoid trying to pitch and close people. Your mindset should be around making connections. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that means 90% personal and 10% about your business. Now, the 10% about your business is going to be the results of others or your own results. The 90% personal, you want to post pictures of yourself, your family, you at the beach, at the mall, eating food, inspirational quotes. Those kind of things are going to have people more curious into exactly what you got going on. And a good example of a curiosity post is this. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Somebody may reach out to you and say, hey, well, what's that green powder all about? And at that point, that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.